Hello children, welcome to VIN school. So today we shall learn a new chapter, The Missing Stone. Open page number 59 in your textbook. So listen to the video and follow it. So let's start the lesson, The Missing Stone. So what is the learning point of this lesson? We can get information about things by asking someone. So by asking someone, we can get the information about any things. So let's start the lesson. Once there was a magpie living in a forest. Collecting bright colored stones was his hobby. One day, he found one of the rare stones missing from his collection. It was a beautiful one. So there was a magpie. Magpie means a bird. Okay. So it was living in the forest. And the hobby of the magpie is collecting the bright color stone. Okay. So each one of you has an hobby, right? Isn't it? So different kinds of hobbies. Each one will be having. Likewise, the same way, even the magpie had an hobby of collecting the stone, that is bright colored stone. Okay. So one day what happened? The magpie was found that one of the rare stone, means one of the stone, the bright color stone, one bright color stone that was very rare, that was missing from his collection. He had lots of collection, in that one stone was missing, and it was very beautiful one, and it was missing. So magpie, he immediately called the best detectives in the forest, the squirrel and the mouse. So what did the magpie do? By seeing that one stone was missing, he immediately called the best detectives. So who are the detectives, children? If something lost, what will you do? So you'll be going and complaining the police, isn't it? Yes, then what they do, the police will investigate, they'll detect, and they'll give back to you, isn't it? The same way, the detectives is nothing but the officers, police officers. So who are the officers in the forest? The squirrel and the mouse. So the magpie called them immediately. He said sadly, I have lost one precious stone. It was green in color, smooth, and as big as a peanut. So please search for the stone. I will give you a good reward to the one who finds my stone. It is a promise. So then the magpie says, very sadly, he says, I have lost one precious stone. So I have lost the precious stone now, and it wasn't green in color, it was green color. I lost it, and it was very smooth, and it is big as peanut. So you have seen the peanut, isn't it? So it is something a big size of that peanut. So please search for the stone. So the magpie says to the squirrel and the forest, it requests the squirrel and the mouse. The magpie is requesting, please search for the stone. So if you search for the stone, I am going to give a good reward, so good prize to those who find my stone, and it is a promise. I am going to give a prize for those who find the stone. The mouse was cleverer than the squirrel. He followed some clues and soon went into a tunnel which was under a huge tree. The tunnel was the home for many small animals. So the mouse was cleverer than the squirrel. It was very clever. So he followed some clues, he followed some hints, and soon it went to a tunnel which was under a huge tree. There was a huge tree in the forest. Under that, there was a small channel, and by following the hint, the mouse it went to the tunnel, and the tunnel was a small home for small animals. It is a home for small animals. On entering, the mouse saw Mr. Mole, but the mouse was very shy to speak. He did not tell Mr. Mole why he was there. He just went on looking for the stone. So the mouse, by seeing the tunnel, it went inside. As soon as it entered, he saw Mr. Mole. But the mouse was very shy. It was very quiet. He did not speak anything. So he didn't tell to Mole why he is inside the tunnel. So he just started to look for the green stone, precious stone. The squirrel was also a great detective. Before long, he too came to the tunnel. He was not bit shy. On seeing Mr. Mole, he said, "I am looking for a green stone. Have you seen it?" The squirrel. So even the squirrel is also a great detective. So even it came to tunnel, and he was not at all quiet. He was not at all shy. As soon as he saw Mr. Mole, he asked Mr. Mole that I was looking for a green stone. Have you seen it? The squirrel says, "I was looking for a green colored stone. Have you seen the green colored stone?" Mr. Mole happily led the squirrel to the stone. He had been worried about it for some days. It was blocking air and light to the tunnel. And Mr. Mole, by hearing what the squirrel says, Mr. Mole happily took the squirrel to the stone. He showed the stone, and even Mr. Mole was very worried from some days because the stone was blocking, means it was not allowing the air inside and also the light inside the tunnel. That is why even Mr. Mole was very sad for it. As soon as squirrel asked about the green stone, it took the squirrel to the stone. The squirrel said, "Thank you, Mr. Mole. It was a great help." And Mr. Mole gave the stone to Squirrel. So that is why Mr. Squirrel says, "Thank you for Mr. Mole." And it says, "It was a great help. Thank you so much." The squirrel hurried to the magpie with the stone. He got a big reward. As soon as the squirrel took the stone, the squirrel hurried. It went to magpie with that stone, and magpie also gave a big reward for the squirrel. The mouse who was watching all this learnt a lesson. The mouse which was looking all this, it learnt a lesson now. He understood that he could not get the stone because he was shy. Because he was very quiet, he was very shy. He did not get any stone. He decided not to be shy again. So then the mouse decided not to be shy, not to be quiet again. Soon he became a best detective in the forest. Soon, very soon, the mouse, he became the best detective in the forest. So what did you learn from the lesson, children? You will not get information unless you ask for it. Unless you ask, you are not going to get any information. So now let us read the difficult words. Magpie, collection, hobby, precious, detective, checked, promise, reward, tunnel, blocking. So children, practice reading the lesson and also practice the difficult words in the rough book.